What are you doing, Lainey?
I'm putting all the wires in the holes.
Well, what were you doing under there?
I was pulling the wires through. Alright, Sam, you got the
Okay,
tape
you gonna put some tape over the. Okay.
Let's start over here because we're doing some
All right.
here.
Maddie's gonna explain the wiring. Go, Maddie. Okay. Go.
It sounds like my dad.
That looks pretty good.
It's actually creating power.
It is?
We got like
Keep going out. Come over here. Okay, so when you turn.
our highest is 0.16, 0.18.
Okay, so when that spins, electricity comes out of it. When we put in. Okay, so can you hook this up so we can get a rubber band around your wind turbine and we could spin this and make electricity come out of it? Can you do that? You know what? In my coat pocket, this is weird. In my coat pocket, I have alligator clips and wires.
Okay, so
And that's a jacket.
this has to be so annoying. Okay, I think we can.
Twist it whenever you cut it.
Yeah, turn. Yeah, it'll. Nice one. And when you tape it when it's bent like that, it might buckle. So it's like make it a little flatter. There you go.
We just use this camera. Okay, this is.
All right, are you ready? Oh, okay. Explain what you drew here.
Okay, so these are 6-volt, 1-amp solar cells, and this is the positive and negative, and this positive goes to this negative, and this negative goes to this positive, and then this positive goes to the motor.
We're actually going to go this positive to that positive. Because we want this to be in series. But you have everything right except for that part. Put that negative to that negative. Yeah. And that does that positive. Okay. But how are these wired up on their solar panel? Okay. There you go. Oh, that's really good. Why are we going positive to positive, negative to negative?
Yes, 8 amps.
We need 8 amps. Okay. Good job. So this is parallel, but them together is what?
Series.
Yep. Emma had it. She was like, I want to tell. Okay, and then we just go straight to the motor. So this should be able to work. And I told the people that we might be able to wire this up in an afternoon, and we might be true. Okay, let's see what they got going on over here.
Straight. Turn it a little.
Keep going. You got positive, negative, negative, positive backwards, but you are getting some electrical charge.
Oh! Did you just call Mr. Canadian? Yes.
Oh man, that's sweet. Okay, let's pop it up and look at the back. That's what everyone wants to see.
So when you turn it up, upside down.
There you go. And normal 5th graders would be freaked out by that many wires, but not you. Okay.
Yeah,
You guys are not normal.
I know.
Okay,
I rock.
so now we're gonna wire this up. All right. You got the alligator clips?
Okay, all the alligator clips are over here.
They're on
Basically, they're working on what this diagram or schematic shows.
Other people.
What are you doing, Lainey?
Trying to get all these wires in one clip.
That is good. I can do it. You got it?
It worked.
Is this one of those things that I have to do that soldering thing at home?
I hope not, but mine will stay.
Like those boards that we
Somebody
have.
help me keep the negatives together.
What I did was this. Wait.
No, that doesn't go loose. They all go together.
What?
Dude, that doesn't go over. No. Okay, that's what these wire. We'll have to use those to the
You
linking.
forgot one. These.
Maddie. That's okay. Keep going.
Oh my gosh.
Lenny, I don't think they're the same.
Okay, Emma. Do what Maddie tells you to do. Maddie. What did you want her to do? Oh, I'm gonna poke you with a stick.
They keep.
Okay, so this is our solar panels all together. We wired them in the back in a parallel circuit, and it's just all the blacks are together.
Should go around the back and look at it.
All the blacks are together, and all the reds are together. And what we did was we put them in 4 and 4. Then we did the white for negative and the red for positive.
How are these 4? How are these 8 connected to those other 8?
We did it like we put them all together in each, and then we have one going to this.
Right.
So they're all connected.
So what? This positive is going over there to that. What? What's it going to over there?
It's going
to the negative.
Trace it over there.
It's going to the other negative.
Okay. So yeah. So this positive, this negative. Okay.
So they're all connected.
Emma, if you get the volt tester, we could start. We could test this out and see what we're doing.
I'll get the light.
Okay. Hit
Pause it. You can start talking.
10 volts.
Okay. So we'll that's unusual. Okay.
That's way more than we usually get with this and that many other videos.
Well, what time did we start on this?
11.
It's 2.
11. We got 11.
It's 2:50 right now. Did we really when did we start putting these on the cardboard?
Like 1:45 or something.
Oh my gosh. That's pretty good. Okay. Did you get the voltage on the camera?
Mhm.
I think the next thing would be to see if we can get the.
Here, come around here again.
Let's just
This
hook
one
up to
has
the bottom.
10.
Hit pause.
Okay. Now we're gonna hook this up to the Bubba Jeep. What? Oh.
And that's not even really.
I saw 6 volts. 4 volts by itself. No, I saw 6 volts.
This one right here gets like these.
This
right
is
here
7.
get 10.
This gets 7 volts. I saw 6 volts get it
Pause.
without an upgrade.